Good afternoon, everybody. It is 10 minutes after 1. It is November the 16th. We just got back from doctor's appointments. So I want to go ahead and do the earthquake update, all right? All right. Right off the get-go, there was a 5.4 on the Discovery Earthquake app, and the New Zealand Earthquake Center had it. USGS says you're wrong. It was a 5.2. And that was Southwestern Atlantic Ocean at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. There was a 4.8 Japan at 22 miles in depth. Now, the Discovery Earthquake app had this coming in at 3.8, Iona Sea at 1.2 miles in depth. USGS did upgrade that to a 4.4. There was a 3.4 Mamasa at 3.1 miles in depth, and then there was a 3.0 Mamasa at 3 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 Solomon Islands at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 2.7 Puerto Rico, 6.2. They hadn't put the depth yet. All right, so there was a 2.2 Western Montana at 10 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 Mexico, 41 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Mexico again at 3 miles in depth. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just know you guys are awesome. In my book, you're great. Thumbs up for you guys. God bless. Please be safe. Have a great afternoon.